Ayan. Magwi-winter na guys. Tingnan natin tong tanim nating patatas. Patatas to eh. Yan. Yan. Nilagay natin sa balde. Yan. Harvestin natin. Kung may bunga. What? Yan lang ang nakuha natin.
What?
Oh, look at that. Man,
Oh,
wow. Ayan, oh, may bunga siya, oh. Look at that.
What is that?
Patata, potato. Oh.
Potatoes!
Yan, yan. May na-harvest kami ni Iman, oh.
So many.
Yan. Wala, ang dami pala. Here. Here, Iman.
Oh my!
Oh, yan, oh. Marami pa palang bunga dito, oh. Yan, oh. Oh, yan.
Marami pa rito. Halukayin natin. Ito Iman. Yan, ah. Dalawa po. Ilang puno lang ito sa dalawa. Dami pala. Sulit naman pala, may kwan. Ilang bunga. Ha? I guess that's it. Yeah, there's some leaves. That's some leaves. That's all, man. See? Ititignan natin, oh. Yan, may nakuha siyang patatas. So, yan, oh. Patatas. Pulis na natin, man. Ito. Ano, man? Yan. Tulog po muna.
Hi guys, so this is all my garden. Got close by. You see the leaves and flowers. And then you got over here some plants. Ooh, a lot of potatoes grown here, but still not harvested yet. I hope it can survive the winter. So, we go in here again. You see this much. Got some tomatoes here. I said it was for tomatoes. So this is the garden. Most of the bugs eating it, but it's okay. Look at this. We got some of this. Oh, and then that's the whole one. We got some flowers. Beautiful.
Ayan. Magwi-winter na guys. Tingnan natin tong tanim nating patatas. Patatas to eh. Yan. Yan. Nilagay natin sa balde. Yan. Harvestin natin. Kung may bunga. What? Yan lang ang nakuha natin.
What?
Oh, look at that. Man,
Oh,
wow. Ayan, oh, may bunga siya, oh. Look at that.
What is that?
Patata, potato. Oh.
Potatoes!
Yan, yan. May na-harvest kami ni Iman, oh.
So many.
Yan. Wala, ang dami pala. Here, Iman.
Oh my!
Oh, yan, oh. Marami pa palang bunga dito, oh. Yan, oh. Oh, yan. Baka marami pa rito. Halukayin natin. Look at Iman.
Oh my!
Yan, ha.
I
Dalawang
wish I could pick some
Ilang
up.
puno lang ito sa dalawa. Wala.
Oh my!
Ang dami pala. Ah,
Okay.
sulit naman pala. May kwan. Ilang bunga. Ha? I guess that's it.
No, there's some leaves, so that means there must be potatoes.
I think that's all, man. Ayan. Oh, see? Ito yung tinamin natin, oh. Yan, may nakuha siyang patatas, oh. Ayan, oh. Patatas. Let's go to the other one. Ay, ito.
The other one?
Yan. Turno po muna. Ito patatas din to. Tingnan natin kung ilan yung binunga niya.
Oh my, I wish. Okay.
Oop. Wala.
Oh my, that's big.
That's big. Look at that. I guess this one's a lot. Ooh.
Oh, that's hard. And it must be big too. Look at from close by.
Wow. Look at that.
My. How did that?
Hey, man. Oh. Yung tanim namin patatas, oh.
The most of them stuck to little ones.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Okay, that's good. Okay, there's definitely a little bit
There's more,
right?
okay.
I know there's a little bit more.
Oh, this one's big. Whoa!
Oh! potato.
It is a potato.
No, it looks like a grown potato, like the potato I usually see in TV.
Yan. Ayan, that's it.
Yeah,
Yan yung
that's
nakuha namin patatas, oh. Yan.
that's how much we got in. There's so many potatoes.
Potato. Hindi, malilit pa, oh. Oh, at least may nakuha kami. Kung sabi nga ni Iman, pag may tanim, may aanihin. Ayan. Patata. Ayan, mayroon pa kaming purple pepper, oh. Ayan, oh. Kunin na namin sa
Pepper.
dalawa,
Dalawa.
Tatlo.
Tatlo. Apat.
apat. Oops!
No!
Apat nakuha namin.
How about that red small one?
Yeah. This one, it's
Yeah.
already ripe. Okay? Oh.
Over here, my dad got some potatoes and all of these, and this is the background, and that's my whole. That's the and this is my swing. My my swing, my slides, my tower. And we got the rest over here. Got some flowers, and that's the whole part of my garden.